Hey everyone, I know it's been a while since I have done a video, but I have a bunch of stamp sets that I don't use anymore, so I am going to get rid of them. I'm just going to go through and say the name of it, and all of the same size ones are going to be the same prices. I'll put the my email address on the screen and down below. Send me an email with the list of the stamps that you want. It's just going to be the fairest way to do that because then they'll come in order and I can just go by that. If there's one on your list that's already sold, I'll just let you know. I'll probably send you the invoice for the other ones on your list, but obviously if you don't want them, email me and tell me. If you hear noises in the background, that is my daughter attempting to crawl on the floor. We're not quite crawling yet, she's army crawling. Also, I do want to mention, I got a bunch of new Christmas stuff, so I am planning on making a Christmas card series. I just have to find the time between watching her and doing everything else around the house. Alright, so all of these 4x6 stamp sets are $7 each. The first one is the Altenew Whimsical Flowers. And all of these have been used, but they are well taken care of. Lawn Fawn +1. The Lawn Fawn Making Frosty Friends. I'm not sure why this one has yellowed so much. None of my stamps are in the sunlight at all. So I really don't know why it's so yellow. Lawn Fawn Into the Woods. Averiel Snow Much Fun. Lawn Fawn Let It Snow. Paper Smooches Helping Hands. This is the Simon Says Stamp Tilted Banner Sayings. Newton's Nook Holiday Mischief. Averiel Let It Snow. The Averiel Petals and Stems. Paper Smooches, this is Leafy Greens. Paper Smooches Hooties. Paper Smooches, I'm not sure what this one is called, but we'll just call it the Paper Smooches Sayings. Paper Smooches Hubby and Wifey. And then the Mama Elephant in My Heart. And again, those are all $7. And for shipping, it's going to be within the United States. It is $4 flat rate shipping, no matter how many you get. International, I'll just have to price that out if you really want to pay, but I know it is quite pricey. Hero Arts Carbonated Background. This is $5. And then the Hero Arts Hexagon Background is also $5. Alright, this is the 3x4 size. These are going to be $4. The Lawn Fawn Stuck on You. W+9 Love Mom. Lawn Fawn Happy 4th. Simon Says Stamp Furry Cat and Box. And then the Alleyway Stamps Seek Him. And then these few little 2x3 ones are $2. The Averiel Party Animal. The Lawn Fawn Happy Summer. Lawn Fawn Year 3, the Lawn Fawn Love You Tons, and the Lawn Fawn Winter Fox. Okay, so again, I have my email address on the screen. Please send an email of the stamp sets that you would like, and then I will send you a PayPal invoice, and once you pay that, then I will ship them all out. Also, I have a bunch of the Mint Studio stamps still, and I'm working on designing new sets and also renaming. So I want to get rid of all of the older packaging ones just for the rebrand. So I am going to give you guys exclusively on YouTube a discount code for 50% off anything in the shop. So that's any of the stamps, dies, and stencils. There are still stencils left. And there's a bunch of stamp sets that have sold out. So a lot of the old stamp sets and dies and stuff I am going to restock, but not until I do the whole rebranding and then all of the new stamp sets and everything. So I just wanted to show you a few of the stamp sets that are still in stock that would be good for Christmas cards. So first is the Ballet Love stamp set. I was just kind of thinking like the whole Nutcracker theme. I think that would work really well for Christmas cards as well. And then we have the Dear Santa one. This adorable little Santa, and I love the reindeer. I think it's so cute. There's only a few left of the Away in a Manger set. This is such an adorable nativity scene. The Cardinal Greetings. Again, this one can create some gorgeous, gorgeous Christmas cards. And then the Trim the Tree. So the code you're going to want to use in the shop for these is just YouTube. I'll have it down below just if you want to copy and paste it. But that will give you 50% off everything in the shop. So that'll kind of help me clear everything out. We don't have too much quantity left, but that way I can get all of the older product out and then get some new fun and exciting products in. So like I said, I am going to start a Christmas card series hopefully soon. My daughter is almost 7 months old and she's not the best right now at taking naps. So I don't have all the time in the world to create just because it's more entertaining her all day. So once I get some time, maybe at night, I am going to be creating some Christmas cards. Got lots of supplies I ordered, all of them. Just have to have the chance to use them. And once I start back up making cards, I will give you a little bit more of a life update since I have taken a couple years off. And a lot has obviously changed. So, if you have any questions, you can also email me or leave a comment down below. And I look forward to hearing from you guys again. Bye, everyone.